Hello everyone. Today I crafted an interactive causes of deaths around the world dashboard. In this dashboard, the key insights encompass total deaths by year using line chart, mortality rate by country and territory using clustered bar chart, total deaths by country and territory using clustered column chart, and a cards to display causes of deaths. As well, you can see total deaths using card, two slides to filter based on year, country and territory, a narration which says total deaths trended up, resulting in a 24.92% increase between 1990 and 2019. Total deaths started trending up on 1990, rising by 24.92% in 29 years at 8,846.94. China had the highest mortality rate. It was 938.39% higher than Germany, which had the lowest mortality rate at 851.99. Across all 10 countries, territory, total deaths ranged from 2,55,59,667 to 26,54,08,106. Now let us use our filter. Let me start with India. In India, I need to know that's in 2015, which is 8,394,566 in the year of 2015. 51,000 people died because of malaria. You can see, or 180,000 people died because of self-harm. Now, what about in 2005? Total deaths were 7,690,96, which is, you can see, 7.7 million around, and 17,000 people died because of alcohol use disorders. Now, let me filter for the country Kenya. You can see in the year of total deaths in 2004, mortality rate, and if I specifically need to know in the year 2017, I could see over 17,000 people died because of tuberculosis, and the mortality rate 285.01%. This is how my dashboard works, and that's all about my dashboard. Thank you.